Just woke up and it is 3:41. You see it's the 3rd. So let's get the morning started. So this is what I'm gonna wear to work. These are the pants. There's some scrub bottoms. And then this is my scrub top that I'm wearing. I'm going to work with my mom today. So she works at a clinic. So guys, I am in the bathroom now. You see I got my shirt on. I'm about to wash my hands and wash my face. Using this. This is kale and green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser. And then this is Glow Beauty Care Blemish Control Oil-Free Claritin Cleanser. So yeah, I think I have too many oil cleaners. I just realized that these are both like kind of not oily, but like they're both, yeah, they're oily. I think I'm gonna do my pink mask today. Let me see. And now we're done. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes starting now.
Because we don't want to leave this for too long because my face has been getting irritated like real easy. So yeah, we're gonna leave that on 5 minutes and we'll be back. We're gonna make some tea and everything else we need to make. As you hear the timer's going off, hey Siri, stop timer. So I see the timer went off, so it's time to take this off. Whew. Okay. So now that that's done, I didn't make my shake because I started doing stuff for my parents. But yeah. Whew. Okay. So since I have a few little pimples, we're gonna use this. This is the Blemish Control Glow Beauty Care. Let's put the blemish cream on. Okay. And then we have this. This is witch hazel and with rose water. Good, because I don't know how to say that. And when it's too much, I just drag it down to my neck because I put too much. What did y'all do for Christmas and New Year's? Please comment down below because I would love to know. So guys, this is my face after. Still, you know, some imperfections, but hey, it's pretty as it is. So I'm gonna put some lip stuff on. So we have this lip care. Y'all heard of this brand probably. And it's a blueberry lip mask. It's a lip mask, but it's a night lip mask, but I put it on in the morning too because like why only at night? And I'm bringing this with me. So yeah, finish. Okay guys, so we're at the job. I don't want to show too much because you know this is not my workplace, it's my mom's workplace. I can't show too much. So for one, I just like I put some saline up for them. She does kidney care, so if you know what kidney care is, you know what I'm talking about. So here I am. Hey y'all. Let me cover this. So yeah, here I am. So guys, it's about 5 o'clock in the morning, okay? Look at this. Turn this off. Look at this. Look at the sky. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, by the way, y'all. And I'm going to get, and I'm going to the donut shop for my mom and her co-workers. So yeah, on the company's card. Yes, ma'am. That's all. Yeah, that's all.
Did you want an itemized receipt as well?
Yes, please.
Do you need mustard?
Probably. They probably need it. I don't want it, but.
Should I ask you for a minute?
Thank you. It's fine. It's still very early in the morning. Okay. I'm just happy y'all open. I'm just happy y'all open. Thank you.
Yes, you have a good day.
You too. Okay, y'all. Let me see if I got some lighting. Oh my god, I'm black. A little bit light. So y'all, it's not even 5 minutes away from the job. It's like literally right across. It's like really next door. It's not even across the street. It's next door, okay? So guys, this is the butter spinach feta. So good. You know that spinach cheese dip that you get? This is spinach cheese dip, but in some nice bread. That's good. All gone. Oh, I'm sorry. Make sure it closed all the way.
I shouldn't have took the second shot. I shouldn't have took my shot. Nope.
So we're going to McDonald's to get 2 people some food. They both want biscuits, but one wants just a cheese and egg biscuit with the hash brown and apple juice, and then the other one wants bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit with a Coke. So yeah, gotta remember that. And I'm also getting a Gatorade from the store because one of them want a Gatorade. So yeah, it's a lot going on. Okay, it's a lot, but I'm getting it done. Okay, I'm getting it done. Yeah, I'm the runner. I'm basically my mom's legs today because she tore her ACL and then her other knee is messed up. So both of her legs are messed up. And then we had a situation where someone almost went to the hospital. So yeah, that whole situation was crazy. It was very traumatic for me a little bit because I'm a very emotional person. So I almost wanted to cry when I seen her going through that. Like the lady, she was going through it. So like I wanted to cry because I feel her pain. I'm very sympathetic. That's the word. I'm very sympathetic when it comes to people. So yeah, pulling up to McDonald's now. Hopefully they don't have an attitude. I hope it's a good day for them because I don't want to deal with that. Their bagel is so freaking good. I low-key want that bagel so bad. I'm so hungry right now. Should I get it? I'm so hungry. I think I'm gonna get it. Can I get an egg and cheese biscuit?
Okay.
Can I make it a meal with the apple juice?
Okay, anything else?
And then can I get the steak, egg, and cheese bagel meal?
And that drink?
With an orange juice.
Medium or large?
Medium.
Okay, anything else?
And then can I place another order? Yes, ma'am. Can I get the number 3 with a Coke? And that'll be it for that order too.
All right, that order is going to be $7.35 for each full phone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
It was an older lady. I love old people. Yes. I love old people, okay?
Good morning.
Good morning. Your vest is so cute.
And this is everything, okay?
Okay, thank you so
I
much.
appreciate it. Amazon, girl.
Oh, okay. You too. Store and get that Gatorade, and then we'll be done. I don't think I'm gonna take y'all in the store because I really don't like going into the store. Like, I really do not like going into the store with my camera. Like, I don't know. Like, grocery stores are different than gas stations. Gas stations, I feel like they think I'm gonna steal something when I have my camera out, which makes no sense. I know it doesn't make any sense to me, but I just feel like that. So for my comfort, I'm not gonna videotape when I go into the gas station. Okay guys, so I got her Gatorade. I'm about to go back to the job. Let's go back to the job real quick. And people looking at me like they don't got no sense. Baby, yes, I'm talking to my phone. And what about it? Like, why do y'all have such a fucking... Ooh, calm down. Why do y'all have such a problem when people are talking to their phone? Like, if you have a problem with somebody talking to their phone, like, people be literally on the phone. Like, people actually be on the telephone. Like, why do you have such a problem with me? Oh! Talking on the phone. It's me over here driving crazy. So, yeah. I'm back at the job now, y'all. Let's go! We're finally on break, which is technically not a break for my mom because she's still probably doing work in her office. Look at her. She's still trying to do work. Yeah, I'm vlogging today and I'm telling on you. So this is the food, y'all. It looks so good. It looked dangerous though. Let me stop. Mm-hmm. Come on.
Yeah, baby.
Here, try while it's hot. That's a big bite. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good, mayonnaise and cheese. I mean, mayonnaise ketchup. You want some on it or not? Oh, you in condiments. I'm glad you like it. I like it a lot. It's really good. Oh, I was trying to find you a napkin, but I don't see none in here. So guys, the steak, egg and cheese sandwich at McDonald's, it get a 10 for me. I loved it. Oh my goodness. It was so good. And I've had McDonald's for so long, but that was so good. Like, it was good. So I'm a protein for today. That's my last meal until like 8 o'clock. The manual door was broken, so I had to be a door woman and open the door for everybody. I'm gonna phone my sister. I'm looking for about insurance. Yeah, look, y'all, this one of her legs. She took off the other brace. I'm getting video footage of this betrayal of her taking off the other brace. Daddy gonna get you. So guys, I am back home and I'm doing a voiceover because my parents are watching TV. So I'm cooking some fillets for a salad. I'm making a salad for my family. I'm making a salmon salad. Here's some foil. And I'm gonna put it in the air fryer because I am using the air fryer today. Then I only use 2 seasonings, some onion powder and then the all-purpose seasoning. And then some oil to put it all to like the wet condiments so I can bring all the dry. This is before I season them. And when you're seasoning your salmon, you need to make sure that you put the oil on first and then you put the dry ingredients on there and then you rub it in. And there it is. I didn't put too much seasoning on there because my parents do have like high blood pressure, cholesterol, you know, all that stuff. They don't need that much seasoning. And I put it up for 7 minutes and you gotta flip them on each side and make sure that they're golden, just a little bit golden. So I'm about to flip them right now, guys. This is how they gonna look. I'm gonna flip them. So I'm gonna flip this, y'all. Okay guys, so next is the lettuce part and the peppers and green olives that I'm not putting on mine. They gonna put on there. It's putting on theirs. Can't nobody get you to the train station. You catching the train for? So she can get down here. Okay, so they want peppers. They want peppers, olives, and y'all okay with cheese in y'all's too? Y'all want cheese in y'all's? Yeah. And cheese. Mexican cheese. Yeah, that's what I do. Use a spoon. I think she used a spoon.
Joe took a book, but before handing it over, he invited Helmut to become his successor.
Y'all see?
You know they have to 50 something mix, but
Oh no, this is the ones I bought, so I'm just using this as I bought it. Because I thought we didn't have lettuce at the house. Because Mom said we didn't have lettuce at the house. So I had bought some.
Black pepper and salt on it.
Ooh?
You ain't put no salt.
On what?
On your salad. You don't put no seasoning on your salad?
I put seasoning on the thing.
Until he reached it.
Y'all
No
want the
matter the
juice too or
result,
just olives?
he asked her to tell
You
him
said how many?
that he had served. They would be in deep trouble, so the
Not
blonde boy
like that
was told
now.
to fetch water before nightfall. When he reached the situation, underneath, there really was a body, and the seed he thought would disappear.
Okay,
After
my
some
turn.
time, Helmut began to lose his breath. Another man told
I
he
shred the
accepted,
chicken like this.
curious to
I
see how
just
much strength
smash
his body
down
had regained. At the
What?
training
That's
arena, everyone was practicing. When Tanya arrived with Helmut from afar before reaching the city, insisted they could trust Helmut, saying he would be used the first
And I
time.
use,
The next day,
Chick-fil-A sauce
they all set out together through
for
the
my
forest
salad.
to reach the cargo of beasts. That human was probably not the leader, since he wasn't. Just as he filled the first bucket, those men
let's
appeared
see,
behind him, calling him over for a talk. After beating him up, they asked him if those born with one usually died at birth or were sent to the root cause. Helmut finally understood the reason
my
he
cooking,
learned
but
this was
it's
to
good.
suppress the seed inside
Y'all see
him.
it?
Even now, without being able to use this, he had to hide this secret at
So
all
good.
costs.
Look at that.
The blonde went to examine one of the beasts more closely. At that night, Helmut trained again. His fist had finally returned. Within he
So
was fully
good.
healed.
I'm gonna drink some
He
water.
threw a punch at Helmut, who caught.
Y'all rate the salad?
8.
Mama, what's your rate the salad?
A 10.
Hey, Dad gave it an 8. Big Mush come frying. Hey. Y'all, we was watching anime. I don't know if we're gonna finish it.
Big Mush.
So y'all, I am so tired. Today has been a long day. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all next time.